found wild garlic, field garlic,
meadow garlic.
Yeah. So this is gonna be the flower. Apparently the whole plant is edible, and I yanked one already so you can see what it looks like, you know, down here. So I think this is gonna be super like oniony. So I'm gonna eat this first. See what this tastes like. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. That is so good. Kind of like tastes like corn, like with a little oniony taste to it. It's like corn kernels, but like onions. It's super good. It's not too oniony or it's not too brutal. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's so good. You just eat this whole thing down. Alright, I'm gonna try to eat this now.
I can smell it, man.
It's a little bit more powerful than this part. It's good though. I mean, I like eating like raw garlic or raw onions, so for me this is not bad. I mean, it's pretty good. I recommend trying it. It's spicy. That's how you want it though. Like, you know. So wild edible field garlic.
Great.
Definitely try it.